before I finish opening this, like, subscribe, and that's it. It's a Snow White Disney Doorables pack. Wait. So you can get all 7. You actually can get all 7 dwarfs and Snow White, and there's a mystery figure. I have a little suspicion that this is the guy that tries to get Snow White's heart out. So pretty cool. We'll open them all at the end. I'm not gonna open them. My stomach. What is this? This is the Let's Go figures. And so it's technically all the figures, like a whole bunch of characters that you can get, but they're like travel friendly. Yeah, like they have sunglasses on or cowgirl hat or something.
So what's something from the front?
Oh, Minnie! Well, it's not really a real Disney Adorable. It's this picture. Okay, next one. Those are you.
I don't know.
Yes.
Again, you can also get like a mystery figure.
Yes. So some of these boxes come with all these figures, and then you can get the mystery figures. You don't always get it, but yeah, the Haunted Mansion.
Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you. The real chills come later.
Oh yeah. Here you go. I actually forgot what this one is. Sorry. Oh my God, it's the Golden Princesses! Okay, so again, like you get these, and then there's a mystery figure. I think it's Rapunzel, because there's no Rapunzel one. So yeah. Yes. Okay, this is the big one. This is the last one, but it's cute. So let's see. I look at it. Wait. If it's what I think it is. Yes, it is! Yeah! Oh my God.
That's from Chelsea and I.
The giant Disney Doorables. So big and beautiful.
So what's the other princess one?
So, now let's get open. This is gonna be the last one because I'm so excited for it. First, let's open the
Disney princesses.
Yes, the golden Disney. You gonna help? Yes, I don't. Where's the tag? You gotta open it again. Oh, wait, there. Okay. It's hard.
Some scissors if you need to.
And then, oh yes, the mystery figure was Rapunzel.
I'm gonna put the tape so we can like open it easily.
First door. Ooh, they're pink bags. See what I get? Okay, I'm just gonna use scissors because these bags are hard. Just I got Tiana and a pretty golden dress. So pretty. Another pink one, of course. These are all pink. Ooh, we got Snow White, also in a golden dress, of course. You gotta be decked down in gold.
How many packages come in there?
I think all 8, and then you can get the mystery on Rapunzel. It depends. Sometimes you don't, sometimes you do.
There's 8 packages, but only 1 in a bag.
But sometimes in one door there could be 2 packages if you get the mystery Rapunzel.
Did you get me that with the Snow White? And yeah.
I have Jasmine! She's pretty. Well, now I'm going to try to rip. You didn't really open it. Okay, that's just going to stay like that. See, this one's going to be Belle. It's very big. Belle's hair is big. No, it's Cinderella.
Oh.
Wow. Oh, it's her. Full. Oh, wow. This one comes like this, really? You want me to get that one out? What's that gonna do?
Open the door.
Oh, I didn't know that. spawns in here because when I opened, so it has little mystery figures. When I opened this one, I got Snow White. So maybe this one is what's it called? It's a beauty or Aurora. Yeah, this one's Aurora. Oh my gosh, so pretty.
Two more to open.
Careful, I might not get the mystery finger. If it's not in here, it's probably gonna get the mystery finger. But it's okay. It's okay. Let's see if I can open this with my hand.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I can't even open it with my hand. Ooh, it's Ariel!
Well, for Eric can be 7. So pretty.
Wait, make sure there's nothing in there. Because last time when Avery opened a set with this, she forgot one and she almost threw it in the trash.
Oh no.
So, next is Mulan.
Wait, pick up your finger.
Oh, you can't see it? There, Papa. Mulan. Okay, that's all those. I was about to throw them, but it was in there. I don't know which one. I'll do this one.
7
next.
doors.
The rest, I'm excited for all of these. Okay, 7 doors. Okay, I know where the thing is, so I can get this one. Well, I can't.
Give me help.
Yes.
This is even hard for me.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the different world.
Wait, hold on. Hold it. Here, I got it.
Yep.
That was easier. Yes. It's the prince. I thought it was the guy that tried ripping out his heart or whatever.
What is that? The secret one you get?
Yeah, it tells you the secret one once you open the front box.
So if you get your secret one.
I don't know if I get the secret. I'm gonna open the middle one. Here, I'm gonna try to show you guys when I open it. It's not really gonna work, but I didn't even open the door.
Giving
Rip it. No. Ooh, these are pretty orange bags. I'm gonna use tiny scissors.
So they do literally come out of little doors.
That looks hot pink to me.
Yeah.
They look more orange to me. Wait, which one is this?
Bashful.
Bashful.
No.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to do something over here. You probably don't want to see my fingers trying to get something out of the bag. So I'm not gonna do it. Well, this one was way easier to open.
You probably want like the.
Snow White! Oh my gosh, she's playing a little bird. So cute. Sorry, I say that every time I find it cute.
Yeah, it's sort of the rabbit. It should have been an evil queen.
Oh my god, I should have. I can't even open the door.
How many doors in that? This is like already been
I am grumpy.
Look, Cassie.
Oh, he's holding a little gem and a pickaxe. So cute. Open that door. I can literally just go like this.
Yeah, just take out this whole.
Who is this? Happy! He's a little. Is that a violin or a guitar? I can't tell. Cute. Oh, okay. That's way easier now.
Where does the extra one go?
Huh? It would go in one of the, like, if some doors are big like this, so it will have 2 packs in it.
Oh, got it. Okay.
You might not get to.
I get Dopey! Look at his eyes! They're like gems.
That's a nice one.
So cool. Oh my god, it's Sweetie! It's like laying down. I was like, why is it flat on the bag?
I
He's
think
laying
that
down.
for a second you got this one first because the pillow kind of looks like his hair.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, I got a dog! It's little glasses, that's only the only reason I can tell the difference. So cute. Little gem and a... Is that a hammer? I see the hammer. Yeah.
get a gem and a hammer in this thing, yeah.
Last one. I think that's
Sneezy?
Sneezy. Yeah, that's Sneezy. He has his big red nose because he's about to. Oh wait, they all have a big red nose. Well, Doc does.
Yeah, that's Sneezy.
Sneezy. I like his yellow hat. It's a yellow hat, bright yellow hat. Okay. Next one. I'm gonna do the Let's Go figures. I want to see the Haunted Mansion for the second time.
There's 12 in there.
Okay, how do we open? Oh, I see. I might be able. No, I can't open this one either. Can't open any of the front.
That was not supposed to do anything. I mean, I see
Okay,
the bags.
We got some bags. We got some like nice bags. Oh, that has a tag that say Disney Doorables on it. It's cute. Can't even open the door. Oh, it's the cutest bag. It's like a little. It has like a little carry-on on the bag.
That's a nice one.
Oh, look at that. Can't open the bag.
Daisy.
Oh my gosh, she's like in one of those outfits from what's it called? It's like Indiana, I think, or an Indian wear.
Can I see?
Is that my phone? Can I see it? You. Here, you can hold it.
Ooh, I love. Oh, it might have also been from
It could be Blade Mistake.
Or is it Avery? What was Husky? Aw, that's so cute.
That's such a big
He's
figure.
cute.
Oh, they all have like luggage and stuff?
Yeah, he's
That's
like
cute.
going to Alaska or something. It's a little safari hat. Can I see? Yeah,
Big. He's a big figure.
What?
I don't think he's going to Alaska with a safari hat. Alaska's
Oh,
cold.
no. What's it called?
Australia?
Australia.
Or
Not
Or
Alaska.
Africa, yeah.
Oh my god, what's her name? What's her name? What's her name? Okay, that fell out. What's her name?
I think you dropped one.
I forgot. Clarabelle. Okay, so we have Clarabelle. She,
Is that
Oh,
a
the
cow?
yes, Clarabelle from Mickey and Friends.
I mean,
She looks like she's in a milkmaid's outfit or something.
Can I see? She also might be in. Yeah, she probably.
Wait, did I do it? I dropped one.
Oh, jeez.
It feels like it looks like there's someone back there, but there isn't. Wait, I need is the collector's guide? Oh, I dropped the collector's guide. That's what I dropped.
Collector's guide in the back.
Oh, and there's a little sticker. Let's go camping sticker.
Can I see?
Or card. Is it sticker?
Oh,
it's a card.
Let's go camping.
It's a card. The
Yeah, we
collector's
have
guide.
cards you get. Oh, they make maps. You can make maps with the.
Oh, so you can make maps, I think, with
Yeah.
this side. You can make maps. Like you can put them all together once you collect them, and you can make a big map. Okay, this one I need to. Oh my god, wait.
It's Jiminy Cricket.
And he's
It's
a
a
little
lollipop.
lollipop. Yo, popsicle. I said lollipop. I love these figures. I'm gonna get more of these now.
Jiminy Cricket looks so different because we have a figure like him.
Oh my god, wait. Guess who this is?
Ursula.
Goofy!
Oh!
Look at Goofy's
You
big
know
ass.
who wanted that?
Goofy. I am Blake. It's all Goofy.
How many
There you go,
figures?
sir.
Did it tell you in the box if you get 3 or 4?
No.
Oh, 5, 6, or 7. How many did you get?
5.
5.
Make sure I didn't drop any. No, I didn't. Yeah, 5.
Yeah. I'll put these.
You're scared. Haunted Mansion. This is the one with the light. Let me do this one. I can't open this one either. I'm horrible at opening this one. Oh my god, it's so big.
No, this is like how big the villain's one was.
Collectors. Oh, and the Madame Lolata.
She's the one with the orb. If you get on the ride.
Oh, it's the girl, the head in the orb. That girl. That's the mystery figure that you can get. That would be a cool mystery figure, I'll tell you that. Now these are white, like a dark magenta paint, kind of.
Those are hot pink. Those are light pink.
Yeah, these are
Oh
hot.
my god, it's kind of weird. Sorry, I had to cut Gus?
Yes, this is the old guy.
Right here. Gus.
He's cool.
Hi, Gus. He's one of the ghosts. That's why he's so like scary.
Did I throw the bag behind me? Yes, it's right
Like, did you put the bag behind me?
here. I call it the bag.
Yes, Magenta. Hey, get in. Bam. Oh wait, no, I just got it. No, I just put it back. Okay. Next bag. See if I can open it. Yes, I can open it. Another ghost! Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Who is he? Wait, I have.
Someone kid?
Oh, it's mummy. It's a mummy. I can't barely tell it's a mummy, but. Oh, it's the coffin or whatever.
Oh, he
He's
comes
right
out of
here. He's sitting in the coffin. That's pretty cool. I like ones that are sitting, I guess.
I can't tell he's a mummy either. He looks like a kid.
Yeah, he looks like a kid, kind of. Not really a mummy. He looks like a kid. Yeah. These bags are so hard to open. So I take it over there. Oh my god, I have a bride.
Bride.
It's just called bride.
Bride.
This is so cute. You guys hopefully can see it in the camera because she's very iridescent, so it's very hard to see it. Because they're ghosts, they're supposed to be
I
iridescent.
got to tell you who they are when you pull them out.
Oh my god. Open correctly. We got one of the heads.
We got Roller Rumpkin.
Roller Rumpkin. He's funny.
Don't you get everyone on there?
Yes, except you could get the mystery, you don't know.
Madam.
Yep. Why am I putting it back there with coffee?
Get 4 out of 12.
Ooh, 4? Okay, anyhow. Next one. I think this is only one of the heads because it had a picture of a head guy.
So might be one of the
Yes, it's a head with a hat.
cousin Algernon.
Cousin Algernon or whatever. So cute. All of them. I like any.
You need one more head maybe. And it's called Ned Num. No. That's what his name is. The Nub, I think it's called.
Yeah, that nub. Yeah.
I forgot to pick up this one.
It's a ghost. Ooh.
Is it Oreo? No, that's
Phineas. It's Phineas. Phineas the ghost. Looks like he's going on a trip.
We have.
Okay, next one. This one's cute.
My favorite.
Oh, it's human.
Oh, it's groundskeeper.
Groundkeeper.
Groundskeeper.
Oh my god. I like these ones. Oh my god. Okay, I think this is gonna be this one. I think
The butler. No, the maid.
No.
The opera singer.
The opera singer. I am done with these things. Yep, it's the opera singer.
Opera singer. I'll put it back.
Cute. She got a little braid in the back of her head, which you can't barely see.
Ready for the magic stick?
Wow, that sniff is
Oh, that's the butler. It's right here.
She's the blur. His hands are behind his back. Like, I'm ready for
Wait,
assistance.
did you pull this one? Yeah.
I have these two left. This one. I wish there was 2 in this. I probably didn't get the bonus figure. That's okay.
That's
the last head.
Ned Nub. So the last one should be the maid, or it could be both of them, but probably just the maid.
Probably just the maid. Yeah. Maid is like, can you do that? Yeah. I'm turning sure I didn't forget any doors. Where did you cut it? Oh, it's right up on the side. So where did you cut it? Still don't know.
I'll cut it again.
Yep, it's for me. She's like, I ain't ready to come out. I've been stuck in there. Who knows how long?
Wait.
Please.
So we didn't get the madam. We did open the school set.
Let's just make sure that you don't want to lose any. Yep. Last one. I already cut them.
Yep, you can just open it. So you can get it.
Oh my god, there's so many.
And then cool. Yeah.
Oh
So
no.
those ones aren't all secret.
These ones are exclusive to this pack, so you only can get it in this pack.
But how come it shows you some of them?
Because all of these, they're exclusive, so you only can get them in
But
this
the
pack,
ones that
so
are
you know
covered.
which one. But these ones are mystery for this series.
Oh, so you already see all those other ones.
Because these, you can't get these in any other pack, so I mean, you already know which ones you can get. So, we have Wendy. She came out easy, so we're just going to keep her there. But the rest are not going to come out very easy, so we're not going to open those ones because they don't.
Give me.
Oh, yeah!
You wanted that one.
Avery has this one, and I wanted this one so bad. Oh my god!
I get it. I don't know. I can see it.
Eeyore!
You're gonna be excited for this one. I can already see it.
Ursula! Wait, open it! Get it out. I was so excited about that. I was like,
This is not coming out.
my dad might have put that one out then.
She got it.
Oh my god, it's Ursula!
You're scary.
No, so she got the villains pack and she got Ursula. She wanted to trade for her, but she didn't let
I
her.
found another one that I need. That you weren't able to.
Oh my god!
You should appreciate it.
You were keeping her in there.
You're running for one too.
All of these I wanted.
Oh, okay. So you only have to buy this once, and the rest of the time you can just buy
It's a monkey.
door sets.
I wanted you to start because I saw
Monkey. It's a monkey from Ryan. Okay. Yes. Can't get her out. She's staying in there too. Yes. Oh my goodness! Snow White. And if you're wondering why I'm so excited about this Snow White, this Snow White's golden and that one's not. That's the only reason.
You have to twist no
Oh, you
way.
want to feel this one?
You have to
Reset
go away
for
in
this
that
one
pile.
You wanted this one as well.
So, why I'm so excited about the Eeyore and that one, I have 3 from the Winnie the Pooh set, and I just got 2 more, and there's 5.
Oh, you
No,
just-
there's 6. Imagine one of these is Tigger. I scream. Oh, it's TikTok Croc! This is the best.
That.
Huh? TikTok Croc, remember from Peter Pan?
Okay.
Remember the croc that kept trying to eat him?
You were.
Oh, I have this one already, but still I don't like it.
Oh, it got stuck too. This door.
What did you do? I love this so much. I love you so much. Well, these are all the characters that kind of are still stuck in here. Oh. Okay. So.
Did you do this one?
Yes, I did that one. It's just stuck. Okay, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and that's it. If you want to see more Disney Durable openings, tell me. Or like this video if you want more. And yeah. Bye! Bye! Okay, that's it.
Okay, that's it.